Hi everyone, in this video I will be defining you in depth about why different stages forms in a stock and which stage is ideal for buying. At last, I will be showing you some real life examples. So let's look at the chart. What we observe is that price has been declining for several months and eventually loses its lower side momentum. After that, it forms a base here where at the initial stage there will be little volume, but at the later stage the volume will pick up, and at the time of breakout the volume will be the highest. So here at the base what actually is going on is that there is a battle going on between buyers and sellers. In this phrase the sellers were far strong, but here the sellers and buyers are equal in number. This is an indication that dumping of the stock by disgruntled owners are no longer driving down the price. So let's talk about stage 2. The ideal time to buy a stock is when a stock breaking out of its stage 1 base. Before moving higher with high momentum, the stock will give a pullback. But here in this case, the stock was in high momentum, that's why it didn't give a pullback. At the case of pullback, the price will come back to the breakout point, means the resistance zone, and after that it will move higher. In Stan Weinstein's way of trading, 30 weekly moving average is used as an indicator that I will be showing you in trading view at the later stage of the video. So let's talk about stage 3. This is the stage 3, which is the opposite of stage 1. After stage 2, it forms the stage 3 top as the upward advance loses momentum and starts to trend sideways. What's going on beneath the surface is that buyers and sellers are once again equal in strength. In stage 2, the buyers were far strong than sellers. So let's talk about stage 4. It's the last stage. After moving back and forth in neutral trading range, a stock eventually breaks below the bottom of its support zone, which is this area. Unlike any upside breakout, which needs a significant increase in volume to be considered trustworthy, a downside break into stage 4 doesn't necessarily need such a huge increase in volume. Therefore, a volume increase on the breakout is even more bearish. Once the stock breaks into stage 4, the upside potential is very small. Now, it is going to form lower high, lower low. So let's look at the chart. Econ International. It's a weekly chart. We will put simple moving average. Input is 30, which is used by Stan Weinstein. This is stage 1. This is stage 1 breakout with high volume. This is the pullback. It moved upward and came down to the breakout point. I'll remove this drawing and I will draw a line here. Then you will be understanding it better. It came back to the resistance zone and with high volume it moved upward. Let's move to IRFC. This is stage 1. This is beginning of stage 2. Here you would have bought. This is the pullback. Here you would have got the second chance of buying. After that it moved higher with higher high, higher low. Let's look at Titan. This is stage 1. This is stage 1 breakout into stage 2, and in stage 2 it's forming several bases. First base, second base, third base, it's the fourth base, and right now also it is forming a base. So let's look at RVNL. This is stage 1. This is stage 1 breakout into stage 2, and here after forming stage 2 it's moving with higher high, higher low. Here you would have bought the stock. It formed a base here, didn't give a pullback, and moved higher. Let's look at IRCTC. You can take this as stage 1. Here the breakout happened into stage 2. So let's look at Mahindra. Here you can take this as stage 1. This is stage 2 breakout. Right now it's forming a sort of stage 3. As the moving average has started to flatten out, it's an indication of stage 3. So these are some stage formation details which I covered in the video. Thank you.